use gestures on your iPhone with Face ID to quickly navigate, multitask, and access all the things you do most. Here are some helpful tips you should know. First, let's unlock your iPhone. Glance at your iPhone, and then swipe up from the bottom of the lock screen. You could also enter your passcode. To lock it again, just press the side button. Now we'll show you how to move between apps. To see all of your open apps, swipe up from the bottom to the middle of the screen and hold until you see the app switcher. If you ever need to force close an app, just swipe up on the app. You can tap any app to open it. When you're done, swipe up from the bottom edge to get back to the home screen. This gesture will bring you back home at any time from any app. To go to Control Center, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. From here, you can quickly adjust settings and access other handy iPhone features. Swipe up to return to the home screen. To see your notifications, swipe down from the top middle or top left corner of your screen. Here, you'll find any recent notifications you may have missed. Next up, Siri. To use Siri, just say, "Hey Siri," and make your request. Like, "Hey Siri, how do you say chocolate cake in French?"
In French, chocolate cake is gâteau au chocolat.
You can also use Siri by pressing and holding the side button, and then speaking. Set a timer for 15 minutes.
Okay, 15 minutes and counting.
To take a screenshot, press the side button and the volume up button at the same time. Your screenshot will appear in the lower left corner of your device. You can touch and hold the screenshot to share it, or tap it to add drawings and text with markup, or swipe left on the screenshot to dismiss it and find it in Photos later. Your iPhone includes accessibility features to support your vision, physical and motor, hearing, and learning needs. To access them, open Settings, then scroll down and tap Accessibility. From here, you can customize these features for your individual needs. To turn your iPhone off, just press and hold the side button and either of the volume buttons until the slider appears. Then slide to power off. To turn it back on again, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. And those are just some of the things you can do with your iPhone.